Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my Aquastar Love Talk. Here I will do a love reading on Capricorns. Let's see Capricorns, what's going on in your love life. First of all, I will see what's going on. What will be the oracle messages for our Capricorn? What's going on in your love life? Let's see. Be positive and keep in mind these are all generating. Whatever resonates, keep it with you. What's not, let it be flow with the energy. And just please tell me what is going on in Capricorn's love life. What is going on in Capricorn's love life? What is going on in Capricorn's love life? Oh my God. Lots of cards. Lot of cards. Ooh, let's see. What's this? Disagreement, absence, okay, indecisive, unexpected. Okay. Let me hold it properly. First of all, there was some in the bottom of the deck. There is a forgiveness. First of all, I want to see what's going on. There was disagreement between you and someone else. Okay, so that's the reason you left them as they are in their way, and because of their indecisiveness, because of their they cannot take any decision about this relationship, you left them as they are. Now when you left them, the absence makes uh, the your absence makes them missing you. I feel like a part of me. I feel, I'll, let me speak, angels. I feel like a part of me is missing without you. When you left them because of their indecisiveness, now they are feeling you as a missing part of them. Okay? They value you now. We have too many differences, yes. You can understand that there are too many differences between you and your partner, but still they want an outcome with you only, because there is a reunion, unexpected outcome. Things did not go the way they I planned. Yes, because you left them high and dry. Now they don't what to say, they don't felt that you will leave them as in their situation, or you will leave them because of their indecisiveness. That's the unexpected for them. They cannot expect it, that how could you leave them like that. Okay, now they will come towards you with forgiveness and want that reunion, because the chemistry between you and them is making them daydreamings about you. Okay, this person is daydreaming about you and them with intense chemistry. Yes, that's the reason they are coming with loss of forgiveness to be with you again, because they are guilty of not prioritizing you in their life. Okay, they escape you, or they escape the, yes, maybe there was a third party, maybe there was a third party. Because of that, yeah, because of that, they are not taking you as seriously. That's the reason they are not. Yes, there was a unfinished business between you and them. Let's see what's going on in your love life, Capricorns. Now they are understanding your value, because now you are not there for them. And just give me the energy for Capricorns. What's going on in their love life? What's going on in their life? Yeah, you, Nine of Wands, you work hard for this connection. You definitely give 110%. I know Capricorns, that this always Capricorn gave 110% whenever if there is needed. And if you love that person, you hold a special place for them. You kept a special place for this person in your heart, but they do not value that. That's the reason you walked away, you made that void, and now they are feeling your absence. See, maybe a cancer is this person. Moon, now they are depressed, now they are missing you, they are very much in pain or delusion that what will happen, you will leave them, there will be someone else, everything is coming in the other. See, they are feeling you deeply. King of Pentacles, you're, this person is feeling you deeply. And now what will happen? Seven of Cups. They are very much confused. Seven of Cups. Page of Wands. Definitely, I think this person, maybe a Scorpio, Ace of Cups, and Page of Wands, maybe a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person will come towards you. Six of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. They have hide lots of things from you. They hate lots of things from you. Let's see what will be what they want to tell you. What they want to tell you. And just tell me what they want to tell Capricorn, because there is absence. I hope I haven't lost you. They are feeling that they have lost you for the forever. I really haven't been happy without you. Yes, definitely. They are not happy without you. That's the reason they are missing you. What they want to tell you about their emotions. I don't like when you are ignoring me. Yes, when you are there with them, that time they ignored you. That time they didn't value you. Now they are saying that they don't like when you ignore them. Feel the pain that you have given to Capricorn, right? It's still not over, boo. This person is coming towards you. They cannot take it with a grain of salt. They cannot take this. See, I need some. I need your time and commitment. Now they want to give you time and now they want to give you commitment. See, I talk to you a lot in my head. They are just hallucinate you in front of them and talking to you as you are there. Okay. So what else they want to tell you? So many things. See, I have so much to say to you. They have lots of things to tell. I want to marry you one day. See, now they want to give you lots of things what you want. They want to marry you. They don't want to. I get nervous to call you. I don't want me ignored. They are afraid that they will call you and you will not answer their call, then what will happen? They are very nervous because if you start to ignore them, if you start to not answering their call, then there will be no such a way to come towards you. I want to, I choose you with, I stu- excuse me, I choose to be with you. Yeah, you are too good for me. This card came out from the bunch. Let's say I will take two more cards. What they want to tell? What they want to tell? They give me three more cards. Yeah. I'm so impressed over my action. Now they are saying that they are very much embarrassed. Now they are embarrassed about whatever they have done. Now they are feeling that pain of yours that they have given you. Okay, they got the medicine that need that they needed. Okay, what this are saying, your sexy body has need rolling. So whatever chemistry you both shared, now they are missing that. I need more time. They definitely will come, but they have to prepare for your uh, for they have to prepare for the situation that they will face towards you. whenever they will come face to face towards you, they had to face lots of things, lots of hesitant, or lots of their misbehave that they have done. They had to answer all those things, so they had to be prepared for that. Okay, so that they need little more time. So what will happen? I want to say, I want to see what will happen between you and them in coming future, recent future. Whenever you will see, it will happen in your recent future, because this is a timeless reading. Whenever you will see, it will come towards you. Yeah, let me see. Now there is a separation. Definitely, now there is a separation, and this person is chasing you. Definitely, this person is chasing you, the chaser, and the dragonfly, light-hearted and adapted, finding out change in the things coming out to the light. Whatever they have done wrong, now they are realizing those things. Okay, so what will be happening in the coming phase? Coming phase, they will watch you, looking at you, stalking you, perception. They are changing their perception. Okay, now they want to talk to you, interested, awaited messages, text, call, email, and more talking more. They will come towards you for that insane chemistry. More again and again, this card is coming. Your sexy body has mirror. I know. Capricorns and Scorpios are highly seductive, right? So this person wants to come towards you for your attention, right? Intense attention. So butterfly, evolve and growth. Next phase, healing inner child, releasing the past. Whatever they have done wrong with you, now they will evolve and ask for the forgiveness, and then they release all those pain and all those negative things from the past and come towards you to indulge, because they are in a self-indulgence situation. They are in very much valuing themselves only. Time to heal. Now they are working on themselves. Shadow work, self appreciation. Now they are appreciating whatever they have done right, and they are working on their shadow side to balance their energy. Okay, dating. Now after that, they want to date you. Okay, want to talk to you, come towards you. Okay, maybe there is some karmic situation in their life that they have also they have to take care of that thing also. Maybe their family persons or family members are karmic. They are also involved in manipulating this person against you. It can happen. Okay. Trigger resentments, intensity, letting go, turmoil, and clean. That's the reason they walked away. Because now they are seeing who is wrong and who is right. Charmed and use enable boundaries. Now they are creating boundaries against that karmic relationship that they have in their life. Okay? Needing times, cycle, and takes time to heal, progressing. So this person is taking all the step that they had to take before. Now they are taking it for better situation for this relationship. Okay, what will be your advice? And just tell me, what will be the advice for our Capricorns? What will be the advice for our Capricorns? Grow and glow. So take care of yourself, grow. When you grow yourself, there will be a glow on your face, and it will attract your partner towards you. Be humble. You have to be humble, because whenever Capricorns get angry, they do mistakes. Okay, so don't get angry upon anyone. Be humble. Whatever they have done mistake, whatever anyone has done mistake, they will make it correct. Why are you going out of your um, uh, character? Okay, never give up. Okay. Whenever you are working on your situation, don't give up easily and rise your energy. Okay. So these are the guidance and these are the advice for our Capricorns. If you like this reading, give me a like. If you want this types of reading, then subscribe to my new channel, Aquastar Love Talk. And if you want private reading, then go to the description box. There is a email ID. You can connect me there, or there is a WhatsApp number. You can connect there also for private reading. Okay. So there I will connect you personally. Okay. Bye bye. Have fun and take care of yourself. Bye.